Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will study about living world and classification of microbes. Biodiversity. The topics which will be covered in this video are as follows. Biodiversity and need of classification, 5 kingdom system, characteristics of kingdom Monera, Protista and fungi, classification of microbes and its characteristics. Biodiversity and need of classification. According to 2011 census, around 87 million species of living organisms are found on the earth, including land and sea. To study such a vast number, it was essential to divide them into groups. So groups and subgroups were created considering the similarities and differences among the living organisms. Definition of biological classification. This process of dividing living organisms into groups and subgroups is called biological classification. Classification of Whittaker considered following criteria. First, complexity of cell structure, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Complexity of organisms, unicellular or multicellular. Third, mode of nutrition. Plants, autotrophic, photosynthetic. Fungi, saprophytic, absorption from dead organisms. Animals, heterotrophic and ingestive. Fourth, lifestyle. Plants, producer animals, consumers fungi, decomposers. Fifth, phylogenetic relationship. Prokaryotic to eukaryotic, unicellular to multicellular. Let's have a look at this figure. 5 kingdom system of classification. Living organism classified into two groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes includes unicellular organism. Unicellular organism includes kingdom first Monera. Eukaryotics includes unicellular and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism includes kingdom 2 Protista. Multicellular organism includes kingdom 3 fungi. Cell wall present but organism can't perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 4 Plantae, cell wall present and organisms can perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 5 Animalia, no cell wall. Kingdom first Monera. Try this activity. Take a small drop of curd or buttermilk on a clean glass slide. Dilute it with a little water. Carefully keep a cover slip. Observe it under high power of compound microscope. What did you see? Moving small rod-like microbes are lactobacilli bacteria. All type of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom Monera. Characteristics of Monera. First, all the organisms are unicellular. Second, they may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Third, these are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. Kingdom 2 Protista. Activity. Prepare a temporary mount of 1 drop of pond water on a glass slide. Observe it under low power and high power of microscope. You will find some motile microbes with irregular shape. These are amoeba. Characteristics of Protista. 1. Protista are single-cell organisms with well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Second, they have pseudopodia or hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella for locomotion. Third, autotrophs, example Euglena volvox, contain chloroplast. Heterotrophs, example amoeba permosium. Kingdom 3 Fungi. Activity. Take a moist piece of bread or bhakri and keep it in a container with lid for 2 or 3 days. After 2-3 days, a fine cotton thread like tuft is found growing on the surface of the bread. Prepare a temporary mount of the few threads on this culture and observe it under the microscope. Characteristics of fungi. First, these are non-green eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. Second, most of them are saprotrophs. They feed upon decaying organic matter. Third, their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called chitin. Fourth, some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. Fifth, examples: Baker's yeast, Aspergillus, fungus on corn, Penicillium, mushrooms. Though many systems of classification are introduced after the Whittaker's, his five-kingdom system is widely accepted. Classification of microbes. Microorganisms can be classified into two groups: prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes include bacteria, eukaryotes include protista, fungi, and algae. With reference to size of microbes, remember 1 meter equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometer, 1 meter equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. First, bacteria. Size 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. First, unicellular independent parasitic organisms. Sometimes many bacteria together form colonies. Second, bacterial cell is prokaryotic with cell wall but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. Third, they reproduce by simple binary fission. Fourth, in favorable condition, bacteria grow vigorously and can double their number in 20 minutes. Second, protozoa. Size approximately 200 micrometer. Protozoans are found in soil, fresh water and seawater. Some are found in the body of other organisms and are pathogenic. Second, these are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cell. Third, there is a great variation in cell structure, organs of locomotion and modes of nutrition among protozoans. Fourth, these organisms reproduce by simple cell division. Example: amoeba, Paramecium, free living in dirty water. Entamoeba histolytica causes amoebiasis. Plasmodium vivax causes malaria. Euglena autotrophic. Third, fungi. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. First, these are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. Second, these are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and others are visible with naked eyes. Third, saprotrophic, absorb their food from decaying organic matter. Fourth, they reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or by budding. Example: Baker's yeast, Candida, mushroom. Fourth, algae. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. First, they are aquatic. Second, eukaryotic unicellular autotrophic organisms. Third, photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplast present in the cell. Example: Chlorella, Chlamydomonas. Very few species of algae are unicellular. Most of them are multicellular and visible with naked eyes. Viruses. Size approximately 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Generally, viruses are not considered as a living organisms, or they are said to be organisms at the age of living and non-living. They are studied under microbiology. First, viruses are extremely minute, that is, they are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and can be seen only with electron microscope. Second, they are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid, covered by a protein coat. Third, viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with the help of host cell and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. These free viruses again infect new cells. Fourth, viruses cause many diseases to plants and animals.